What I want to do in this example is show you how you can identify duplicates quickly. So the list in column A has a couple of duplicate invoice numbers listed. So we want to identify the duplicates. So Excel has a built-in technique in conditional formatting that does that. So let's start the clock. There we go, and we're going to select the range. Click on the conditional formatting drop down and select duplicate values, and that's it. Just click OK. So I'm actually going to pause that because I want to take you and show you another way to do that. This one works, and it's really good if you have duplicates in a little list that you can see in one go, if you like. But if you've got a long list and you want to review the duplicates, then what you need to do is you can filter as well. So let's see how we do that. So this is another list. So let's start the clock again. So I'm going to select the list. An easy way to do that is click on the first one, Control Shift down arrow, and that selects the whole list. Click the entry there. Conditional formatting, we're going to go for the duplicates again and click OK. Now this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on one of these colored cells and choose filter, selected cells value, color. And there we go. So we can see, we can stop it. Ooh, we just made it. So that allows you to view, even in a long list, the ones that are duplicated. So it is a useful technique. So in a short list, you can just sort of see the entries, but if you've got a longer list, you can apply the conditional formatting and then you can filter by the color. So when you right click, filter, you can filter by the cell's color. And so you just see all of those. So I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.